Indonesia's stunning landscapes are facing a growing threat, intensifying extreme weather. In East Java, torrential rains triggered a devastating landslide in Mojokerto, claiming 10 lives near Watu Lumpang Resort. At the same time, floods swept through central and east Kalimantan, displacing families and cutting off communities due to water level rise. These disasters come during Indonesia's transitional season, when heavy rains, deforestation, and steep slopes create deadly conditions. Authorities are responding with weather alerts and digital tools to help residents stay informed and safe. Visit Geoengineer.org/news for more.